Randy, you got that door held shut?
A 22-year-old man, stranded on a dark mountain road, called 911 because he was scared and alone. He wasn't drunk. He wasn't violent. He just needed someone to help him feel safe. But within an hour, he'd be dead, shot by the very people he trusted to save him. This is real police body cam footage. And by the end of this video, you'll witness one of the most heartbreaking and controversial police shootings in recent memory. What really happened that night on a lonely Colorado highway? Let's find out.
Hello, 911.
I'm in a vehicle. My vehicle got stuck in a really bad way.
Are there any weapons that you're aware of?
I have a weapon on me. I will throw them out the window as soon as an officer gets here. I have 2 knives and a hammer, and a rubber mallet. I guess that's a weapon.
Okay.
And some stones I could throw. I'm not dangerous. I will keep my hands completely visible.
Both cars, be advised, this party is stating that he has weapons in the vehicle with him, 2 knives, a hammer, and a rubber mallet. He did state that he would throw them out of the window as soon as officers got on scene to make you feel safe.
We're not going to shoot you, but we need you to come here.
Guys, look, I can't go.
Stop.
Stop.
Take the keys out of the car. Take the keys out of the ignition now. Take the keys out of the ignition. Put them on the dash.
Please push me out, ram me out, and I'll follow you to a police station.
For what?
So why are we doing this?
You need to step out of the car now. Step out of the car now. That's a lawful order. Step out of the car, you'll be removed from the vehicle. Step out now.
I'm terrified.
You don't need to be terrified. We're out here to try and help you and have a conversation, okay? You crashed your car.
I crashed, yeah.
Okay. What did you take tonight? Any drugs?
So I smoked, I've been, what's that?
Don't worry about it. Focus on me.
Okay, I'm so scared.
You already said you have weapons in the vehicle.
You're not communicating clearly with me, I don't understand.
Because you already said you have weapons in the car.
Okay, I'm gonna pass them out. Can I throw them
No, do not throw them out. Do not touch them. Do not reach for them. I want you out of the vehicle now.
I understand that.
Step out. Watch Crossfire in case he reaches for shit. I will break the window. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. (116) Party is not being cooperative and refusing to exit the vehicle.
We got him contained for now.
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna rush
Stop
it.
sticks are here.
Get out of the car now. He's got a knife in his fucking seat right there.
His seat, okay.
Step out of the fucking car now. 161 at gunpoint. Step out of the car now. You just had a knife in your lap.
Right, and I
Okay.
threw it to the other side.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
You're scared of a knife. Why are you scared of a knife? You're not even shot.
That's why I want you out of the car so we can have this conversation safely. Period. That's it.
This is the only way I can be safe. I don't understand.
Non-compliant marijuana, but also possible psych issue going on. Obviously, we're gonna have to gain entry, so we'll probably go window. Have 2 on lethal in case he reaches for those knives again.
Hey, Christian? Will you talk to me? What can you tell me about what's going on? We're trying to help you out. Okay, I see that. I see you're being cooperative.
Christian, you don't have any guns or anything that scares us, right? Okay. You said on the phone, you know, when you call.
The scene begins just after 11:20 p.m. in the small town of Silver Plume, Colorado. A car is parked awkwardly off the road. Inside is 22-year-old Christian Glass. He's soft-spoken, visibly anxious, and holding a small knife. When officers arrive, He's already told dispatch that he's afraid and thinks someone is chasing him. It's clear he's not drunk. He's not high. He's in the middle of a mental health crisis. Listen to his voice. He's not aggressive. He's not making threats. He tells officers he's scared to get out of the car. He begs them not to hurt him. And yet, more officers begin to arrive. Rather than backing off or waiting for mental health support, they escalate. One officer breaks the window. Christian screams in fear, clutching the knife tighter, not as a weapon, but like it's the only thing grounding him in that moment. Then, suddenly, one officer fires. Multiple rounds. Christian collapses. The officers pull him from the car. It's too late. He's gone.
All this? You said on the phone that you had knives. Okay, are they big knives, little knives?
One's a OTF.
Okay. All right. Are we going to stand here all night? You're just going to sit in there and not get help? Well, that's why we're coming by to help. You don't have to be shy. If you want to find your phone, we're okay. You're not scaring me, man.
I don't want to escalate it, but we're...
Maybe he'll roll down the window for the soda, and if he does, we're ripping that window,
Grab
like,
that.
not out.
Might as well take it now while he's
Now?
got his butt to you.
Go. Hey, we're popping. Dude, door bottom section. Oh,
This ain't working.
all right. Knife in his hand? Knife in his hand. Watch crossfire, watch crossfire. You guys want to come on this side? We got two over there still.
Do we just want to pop this now?
Yeah.
Let's grab a lift.
Come on, Christian. Come talk to us. Come on, bud.
Get them all time under tension.
Same back at you, but come on out and talk to us.
That door unlocked. And then to get
Come
this
talk to
door
us.
unlocked.
It's time to move the night on, okay? We got to move.
Well, you cute girls get up there, don't
I can
Don't
do
let
it.
the old boy up there.
I already tried to talk to him about the rocks and stuff in there, so
Here we go.
You know what this is unlocked
I got knife.
I think it was some type of a crash.
You got the knife? Drop it, buddy.
Drop it!
Hey,
Drop the
hey, 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 hey. One
Christian,
boy, one boy.
Unlock button.
Nope, he needs to drop that knife. Christian,
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife! Please drop the knife,
He
Christian.
does not have the knife.
It's in his fucking hand, Chief.
Okay. Taser from over there. Christian, right here. Look at this.
You and you still got beanbag?
Yep.
Look
Get
at
that
this.
knife out of his fucking hand.
Beanbag. Christian. Hit the, reach in.
Impact, impact, impact!
He's not dropping it. Drop the knife, Christian! Drop it, Christian!
Okay, one more. Reach in and get the...
Tase him. Tase him from the back. Don't do it, Christian! Don't do it! Drop the knife!
Drop the knife!
Drop that knife! Someone tase his ass. Someone tase him. Still got it. He still got it.
Drop the knife!
Christian.
Christian, drop it!
Drop the knife, Christian!
One more. Christian.
Drop the knife!
Please drop the knife!
Christian.
Randy, you got that door held shut?
Drop the knife!
Drop it, Christian!
Drop the knife!
God damn it, no!
Drop it!
Get my knife back out of the kit!
Drop it, Christian!
Send medics up.
Get that knife, you dropped it! Open the door, get the knife out!
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
Where's my baton?
You unlock the door over there.
Give me baton, quick, give me baton! Move, William! Okay, come on, Christian. Come on, Christian.
Yeah.
Come on, Christian. Oh, God damn it. Roll. Where's...
Christian Glass called 911 because he thought police would help him. Instead, he died on the side of the road with his hands in the air. The fallout was massive. Resignations, charges, and a firestorm of public outrage. And yet, the question remains. Why wasn't someone trained in mental health called to that scene? Why did fear, and not empathy, drive the outcome? And if Christian had been just a little less afraid, would he still be alive today? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more real stories that show the raw, unfiltered side of policing in America. Because sometimes, the body cam tells a story that words never could.